Hello YouTube fans, it's your boy Brad here with another video. Today we're going to be doing that comparison that I promised you between the Sony PX-470 and this no-name brand AliExpress SK-502 recorder. I will be using two of my mics here. These are from my Balilla wireless system. This is the only system that I have two identical lavalier mics, so there's no difference in the sound quality. Again, the mic that came with the SK-502 did not work. It was so cheap, it was ridiculous. So I'm going to plug these up, try to set them up as best as I can to make a comparison, and we'll see how that turns out. Before we hook up the lavalier mics, let's first listen to both of these. They're internal microphones that are built into them, so let me get them started here. The SK takes a little bit longer to get itself to going. The Sony is immediate. So now we are listening to internal mics on both units. Make sure there's no edge here. So now we're listening to the internal mics. This is the SK-502 internal mic, and this is the PX-470 by Sony. Their internal mics are going and recording levels, or I think the Sony might be turned down to a lower level. I have not found levels in the SK-502 as of yet, but this is what the internal mics sound like. Now let me get set up with the external lavalier mics. Okay, we got both of the lavalier mics hooked up. Notice the Sony automatically turns on the audio line in. On the SK-502 you have to go into the menu and switch it to the line in mic. So let's get these to going. Okay, now we have both of them going. I noticed the Sony's readout is pegging out all the way, and the SK-502 is barely hitting -20. So I'm gonna have to maybe dig into this, and if I find it, I'll post another video on how to set that sensitivity to a little bit higher level. But it is right about -20 is what it's pegging out at. So this is what both of their internal mics sound like. What's going on with the internals. Hopefully I'll be able to figure that out. I'm just talking now, guys, just to have something to compare the two. We got the SK-502. This is what it sounds like. And the Sony PX-470. This is what it sounds like. So guys, there it is. There's both the recorders that I have, and here are the results. Look, if you like what you see, please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for checking in. Y'all have a blessed day.